Prove it to you. Here's a look at our live Rubenstein sky cam that shows a lot of cloud cover out Fort Myers Beach. There was some rain earlier. That rain is now backed off, but we still expect to see a few showers yet this evening. Of course, the big story today has been the tropics with Sally, and another record was tied today in the tropics. 5 named storms in the Atlantic Basin at the same time. That record goes back to 1971. Now we tied it today with Paulette, Rennie, Sally, Teddy, and Vicky, all of them out there in the Atlantic. So Sally is going to be tracking toward the northern Gulf Coast as a Category 2 hurricane. Winds are expected, right now they're at 100 miles per hour, expected to reach over 111 miles per hour, 110. 11 would be a Category 3, so it could possibly reach Cat 3. But more importantly, now we've got tropical storm force winds that are going to be getting into the western panhandle of Florida. So now it's beginning to edge its way a little bit further to the east. Impacts over the northern Gulf, very heavy rain. That's probably the biggest impact, 20 inches or maybe even higher than that. 7 to 11 foot storm surge, flooding along the coast and inland, saltwater intrusion, and power outages along the coastal areas because of these gusty winds. Slow movement is not a good thing. We're getting some rain out of this just because of all the tropical moisture left over. So we're still looking at some showers through Collier County, making their way to the north very slowly, only about 15 miles per hour. Light to moderate rain, and this is backing off as well, but we still have the rain out there even at this hour. Arcadia, Port Charlotte, even down into Cape Coral, we still have some light rain and more of these showers coming in from the Gulf of Mexico as well. So for this evening, we're going to continue with mostly cloudy skies with on and off showers, then dying off of those showers overnight. We'll get a little bit of a break, and then tomorrow still hanging on to all that tropical moisture, but that daytime heating kicks in the afternoon, so we do expect to see some storms developing mainly inland, making their way to the north. So this evening, mostly cloudy, a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated storm. Temperatures falling through the 80s into the 70s. Overnight lows are going to drop to about 75 degrees, and that's it. Modeling has keeping it basically dry overnight, but again, a lot of clouds. And then tomorrow, of course, we're going to continue to track Sally and all the other storms out in the tropics. I'll show you how they're all lined